Merry early Christmas everyone, the Financial Outkast here. Like the video because we would like that, sub because we about that. Alright, let's get the show started. In today's market overview, we'll be looking at if BTC or Bitcoin could possibly form a fourth white knight or soldier on the monthly or not. I would like to share explanations, examples, and understandings of the various markets and their overviews. This is not financial advice, but my own opinion and analyzation of observations of past market history. In today's market overview, we'll be looking at the SPX, SP500, USOIL, VIX, the Volatility Index, and BTC Bitcoin. Today's gains on the SPX or SP500 was totally wiped out the last couple hours of trading. Overall, the SPX or SP500 is still trading or forming higher lows, with a higher low forming on December 21st of 3,636.48 cents, and the low prior to that was formed on December 11th of 3,633.40 cents. In today's market on a daily chart, it had closed lower than it had opened. The overall selling volume is decreasing, and tomorrow will be Christmas Eve, so it'll be one less trading day during this week, for the market will be closed on Friday. While the weekly chart's forming a consolidation with pretty much very low volume, and the range on the monthly chart is not that wide of a formation, but only time will be able to tell. Next we'll be looking at the US oil, which is the futures contracts on crude oil per barrel of oil. US oil hit a record low on April 20th, 2020. We're at a point where sellers would be willing to pay you to take the oil off their hands. Ever since that record low, US oil has been able to recover to around $35 per barrel oil of June of this year, and pretty much it had consolidated up until November of this year, where it had finally broken up and out of its range. US oil is currently sitting at $48.05 per barrel, and a barrel is about 42 gallons. And now we'll be looking at the VIX, which is the Volatility Index. The VIX is currently under the 200 SMA, and I would foresee it to try to reattempt to re-break the 200 SMA in the near future. And on the weekly chart, the VIX or Volatility Index is sitting above the 200. And finally, we'll be looking at BTC or Bitcoin, and if it could possibly form the fourth white knight or soldier on the monthly candle. And the current price of BTC or Bitcoin is about $23,100 to $200 of a difference. There seems to be a lot of selling pressure in today's price action, and in the weekly chart it formed a doji in this week's candle, and it's still within range of this white green candle formation. And currently BTC is about 5.5% to 6% from its all-time high. I personally do not believe that BTC can form the fourth knight or soldier on the monthly candle, given the volume to the current price action. But if it does, then that would be very astounding. If it does, then it'll most likely move assets and equities upwards as well. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.